Assalamualaikum guys, I hope you are doing great. In this video I will show you how to create animated title effects. So let's get started. I will go to the video project and I will upload a video. If you have any video you can upload it. I will use from the Canva. I will go to the elements and use the video from here. I will take this video of turkey. I will set it as a background. Now I will go to the another page and take a shape here. Increase the size of the shape. Now I will change the color of the shape into black. I will go to the text now and type the text here. Turkey. I will change the color of the text into white. Now I will go to the font and change the font into Autumn. Now I will increase the size of the text. Now I will go to the share button and download the second page as a PNG. I will go to the upload and upload the text here. I will bring my text here and go to the edit photo. I will remove the background of the photo. Now I will increase the size. First I will go to the transparency and decrease the transparency into 70. Now I will increase the size of this text. I will put it here. Go to the animation and select the create an animation, and I will press the shift button and drag it from left to right and right to left. Now I will go to the movement styles and select the steady. Now I will type my text here again. I will go to the font and change my font into Autumn, and now I will go to the animation and select the animation spread in. I will increase the size little bit. Now I will play our animation. So this is how you can create the animated title effect. I hope you like this video. Keep creating and keep learning. Thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.